I'm going to go through some of the top tips that every new Tesla owner needs to know, and I'm starting right now. So the first things first is, you might think that this is common knowledge, but some people just don't know how to enter inside of the Tesla. Your Tesla comes with a key card. This is the key for the card. It's the same size almost as a credit card. The card also hooks up to your phone via Bluetooth, but just say we don't have a phone key set up yet. It's delivery day. They're going to give you a card, okay? So you're going to take this card here, and from here we are going to come over to the B pillar on your car. We're going to take the card here and put it right there on the B pillar. The card just unlocked, and we know that because the car did beep beep, it beeped 2 times for unlock. And once we get inside of the car, we're going to take the key card and we're going to place it right here on like the center console behind the cup holders. Now we will put our foot on the brake, and now we are ready to go. And this is how you switch gears on your Tesla. First, we're going to put our foot on the brake. If you can see there, I'm going to put my foot on the brake. And here on the drive stop, if you go all the way down, the car is in drive. If you can see drive there. Now, in order to put the car in park, we're going to press the N 1 time. To put the car in reverse, we are going to take the drive stock and we are going to push up 1 time. And now you can see that the car is in reverse. We are going to put it in park. In order to put the car into neutral, it says you have to go up from drive, but we are going to just hold it without letting it click. And now we are neutral. I'm not sure if you can tell, but we are rolling. Now, setting up your key on your Tesla is a very straightforward and easy process. We're going to come over here to the car menu. From here, we are going to click on locks, and from locks, we're going to add key. And from here, you can add a mobile device, and you do this just by turning on the mobile device Bluetooth along with the Tesla app. Or if you want to add a key card, you will just take the new key card and press it right here. In order to do the phone though, I don't have a phone to activate right now. You will take your existing key card from Tesla, you will put it here, and then it will prompt you on how to set up the phone to be your phone key. One of the trademarks of owning a Tesla is the Autopilot feature, and this is exactly how you activate the Autopilot. When driving, you're going to wait till you see the little steering wheel up there. Now with the drive stop, we are going to push down 2 times or press down, and now Autopilot is engaged. And navigating to a Supercharger couldn't be easier, and this is how you would do that. You will come over here to your GPS or the GPS screen, and then you're going to press, and there's a Supercharger, and it will locate all of the Superchargers. Not only that, it will navigate you there. Now let's talk about some Supercharger etiquette. This is my car over here, and that's a Model X. Over there you will see the Tesla power walls. So we have 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. Then you're going to come over here on 2, then over here on 3. I parked on the 2 because this car over here is on the 1 bank. The reason if somebody is on 1, you want to hop over to 2, and 3 is down there, because if I would plug in with these people, now I will be splitting the charge. So the charge will not be as strong. Now this is a 250 charger. Now if they're putting 250 inside of their car and I decide I'm going to plug in on the 1 with them, their 250 might even be cut in half, resulting to a longer charging time. So it is etiquette to always leave space between your cars, and if there's a free bank open, you're going to take that free bank. Now charging at the Supercharger is another straightforward process. All you do is you come over here, you take the handle right off, you have a button on it, the little silver button. This is the same on the mobile connector as well. You're just going to press that button, your charge port will open, you plug it in. And from here, it's green. That means now it is charging. In order to stop the charger, whenever you finish, the car will tell you whenever you have enough energy in order to continue on your trip. You just come over, you press the button again, the little silver button, and you pull it out. And please, etiquette again, you're going to hook it, make sure it hooks right back in there, and now you are on your way to continue your trip. Inside of your Tesla is very minimalistic. You do not have a lot of buttons in the car, and this also goes to the glove box. In order to open up your glove box, you can come over here to the car menu and click on Glovebox. Or an easier way is the voice command. Open the Glovebox. Then I will put in my PIN, and there we are. Now, I have had my car almost for 2 years now, and I can count on one hand how many times I had to do a soft reset. Maybe your camera is glitching. Maybe you get booted off of your Wi-Fi network at home and you need to reconnect. So this is how you do a soft reset. In this way, it will save you a lot of time from going to the service center. On your steering wheel, you're going to go over to both of the scroll wheels. You're going to press them in at the same time, and you're going to wait. And now the screen went blank, and you give it probably about a few seconds. You're going to get the Tesla logo. And this also works whenever you're driving too. So if it starts glitching, the car will not stop if you do that. And we're just going to give it a few seconds here. So as you can see now, it's back, and we did a soft reset, and we are ready to go. In order to activate the windshield wipers, yes, you can go through the car menu, go over to where it says wipers and do it all there, or you can, on the left drive stalk at the end, just press it in very quickly, and now your menu has populated down here, and you can control it from the bottom. So whenever you're parking, especially on a hill like this, you want to make sure that you enable your parking brake. The best way that I can explain to you how to do it versus going through the menu is on the right gear shift. You're going to just hold about for a second. Now you see the parking brake icon popped up. Now the emergency brake is activated. Sentry mode is a great security feature with your Tesla that your car is essentially its own security system. In order to see the Sentry and also the dash cam footage, you're going to look for the Sentry icon. If you don't see it here, you're going to click on the 3 dots here, and the app is right here. It's like a camera with a little red dot. And whenever you open that up, now you have all of your Sentry footage. So as you can see here, I can go back and review the footage. And like here, somebody is coming around the car. You see, they're here. Now they're coming here with a buggy, and they did not hit or scratch the car. It is a great feature. In order to delete it, we're going to come over here to the car icon, go down to safety, and from here, delete dash cam clips. Now the dash cam clips will also be your Sentry footage as well. This way you don't have to go one at a time. In order to control your lights, if you just flash your lights one time, your light menu will also populate right there versus going to lighting and all of that. And as a new Tesla owner, another feature that you need to know about would be your voice command features. The same way you can tell Siri or Alexa to do something at home, you can tell your Tesla what to do. All you're gonna do is take the right scroll wheel here, press it, open the trunk. As you can see, the trunk opened behind us, and it verified to open the trunk. And you can close the trunk, close the trunk. So now the trunk should be closing, and you can work the climate control, the lights. It's so much you can do, and you can sync it with your phone. So I can tell my Siri on my phone to activate some features. And I tell you all about that in the video right here on the screen. Make sure you subscribe for more tips about your Tesla, and I will see you in the next video.